We hope you enjoyed this newsletter. In this newsletter, we're going to talk a lot more about decks and deck maintenance. Did you know there's a lot of new materials out there for decks that have come around? There are different shapes and sizes for everyone. You can see this one has a little bit different shape and size than this one. They also come in all different kinds of colors. It's a lot like human beings. There's a lot out there, and you need to understand a little bit about all the differences that we all bring to the table so that we can find you the right product for your deck. It's a great low maintenance opportunity for you to take your deck and take it to that next level. Give us a call and we can help you out with those decks around the house. Also, we're going to talk about grab bars. Grab bars just aren't for us old people anymore. They come in different colors, different sizes, different shapes. We can actually make them an aesthetically pleasing addition to your bathroom or in your showers that you have. So go ahead and give us a call and we can tell you more about those grab bars. In the meantime, we want to make sure that you're taking care of your house all the way around. Remember, that's your number one asset in your home, and you want to make sure you're protecting it. And this is the time where we start to see those carpenter bees coming out, those wasps coming out, and all those birds attacking our homes. So let's get ahead of it, and let's make sure we keep your house protected. Until we see you next time, we hope you all enjoyed the month of April, where we get this beautiful weather we have called pollen season.